kids, today our topic is letter F. Which letter? F. F sound is F. F. What is this? Yes, this is frog. F. Frog. Where will frog live? Yes, frog live in water. Okay kids, what is this? This is fan. F. Fan. Fan. What is this? Yes, foot. How many foot? 2 foot. F. Foot. Foot. What is this? This is football. F. Football. Football. What is this? This is fox. Where fox live? Fox live in jungle. Yes, F. Fox. Fox. What is this? Which number is this? This number is 4. F. 4. What is this? This is fingers. Finger. F. Finger. What is this? This is flag. F. Flag. Flag. What is this? This is fish. Where fish live? Fish live in water. Yes, F. Fish. Fish. What is this? This is flower. F. Flower. Flower.